I was surprised to find my name included in the committee set up by the Government of Goa to commemorate the 75th anniversary of the adoption of the Constitution of India, also known as Samvidhan ka Amrit Mahotsav. It is important to note that whilst I was not consulted prior to my inclusion, and after a careful consideration, I must respectfully decline the invitation. While the Constitution of India represents the very foundation of our democratic values, I am unable to accept this offer, particularly in light of my belief that the current ruling party, the BJP, has consistently undermined the Constitution both in letter and spirit. The BJP's actions have, in my view, not only disregarded the constitutional principles of justice and equality, but also shown a lack of respect for the legacy of the Congress party and its tall leaders, including Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was part of the founding fathers for drafting the Constitution, and other leaders like Indira Gandhi. Furthermore, the BJP's policies and actions seem to be in direct contravention of the fundamental rights guaranteed by our Constitution. Given this, I find it inappropriate to be associated with a commemoration led by those whose actions do not align with the Constitution's core values. If you remember, at the time of the run-up to the parliamentary elections in 2024, I had actively campaigned for our Congress candidate, highlighting the statements of several BJP leaders across the country who were asking for votes to have their seats to enable the BJP to change the Constitution. Only because they didn't have the number, they cannot play that game. I therefore respectfully decline to be a part of this committee.